Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to another section of maths. Today, the last class we studied about money, rupees and paisa, and we convert the rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. All of you studied that portions. Okay. Today we are going to study about the addition and subtraction of this rupees and paisa. Here, addition and subtraction of money. First, we find the sum. Sum means the result we get through addition. That is known as sum. Okay. And the result get from subtraction is known as difference. Sum is addition. The result get from addition is sum. Difference. The result when we get from subtraction. That is difference. Okay. Here it is sum. So we have to add these numbers, the given numbers. Here rupees 55.50 and rupees 45.75 paisa or 75. Here we write rupees under rupees column and paisa under paisa column. So we have to separate these rupees and paisa. Rupees under rupees column. Here the rupees is 55 and here 50. Then here 45.75. That is 45.75. Okay. Then we add. This is sum. So that's why we add this number. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 5 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 here we write 2, carry over as 1, and here 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 5, 6 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After doing like this, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 here we write 1, carry over as 1 here, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So here we get the result as rupees 101.25. That is 25 paisa. Okay, understood. Our second question is add rupees 357.67 and rupees 45.13. Okay, first we write this rupees column, then it is paisa column, then rupees here it is 357, then it is 67, and here the rupees 45. You have to write the place value order, correct place value order. Then 13. Here we write 13. Then we add this number. 7 plus 3. 7 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we write 0 and carry over 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Then here 7 plus 5. 7 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Here we write 2. And the carry over is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Here we write 0. And the carry over is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. So here we get rupees 402.80. For rupees 402.80. The third question is, here we write rupees and it is paisa column. In rupees column we write as 875 and paisa is 35. Here we write 200 and it is 25. Then we add this number 5 plus 5. 5 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 5 we get as 10. So here we write 0 and the carry over is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Then 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 8 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. After 8, 9, 10. Okay, children. So here we get the result as rupees 1075.60. Okay, understood. Fourth question is rupees 413.05, rupees 134.59, rupees 23.37. So first we write as rupees and paisa. Here 413.05. Then 134.59. Here 23.37. 3. Only 3 is here. 23.3. 23.3. That means 0.3 is here, but there is no number here, so we write as 0. Okay. So the next step is we add this number. 5 plus 9. 5 in the mind, 9 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here we write as 4, carry over as 1. Then 1 plus 5, 1 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 6 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. That 6 kept in the mind and 3 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we write as 9. Then here 3 in the mind, 4 in the fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 in the mind, 3 in the fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we write as 0 and the carry over as 1. Okay. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then 4 plus 1, 5. So here we get the result as rupees 570.94. Okay. So here the next question is first we write rupees paisa. The question is 175.50. Then this is only rupees 533. So here we write 533 and there is no paisa here, so we put 00. No need of this. If it is no paisa, so we write the 00. Then here it is 33. So here we 33, then 30. Okay, then next step is addition 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. We write 1 and carry over 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. Here we write 4. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, that 2 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. That like that you will calculate. 2 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 2. Here first we add 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, that is 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, like that how to study. Then rupees 741.80. Okay, understood. We are going to study about find the difference. Difference means the result we get from addition, subtraction is known as difference. So here we have to find the subtraction. Okay. So first for question, first we write rupees and paisa. Then it is 325. It is 75. Okay. Then here rupees is 137. Here it is 75. Then next is going to subtract now. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 7 0, 5 minus 7 we can't, so we borrowing 1 from here, we cut the number and borrowing 1 from here. Now here it is 1. Count after 7 up to this 15. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here we get 8. So here we write 8. It is 1. We can't subtract this 3 from this 1. So we borrowing 1 from here. Now here it is 2. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here we get 8. So here we write 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is rupees 188. Rupees 188.00. Okay. So here first we write this rupees and paisa. Then 8, 9, 6, 6, 0, 2, 5, 6, 5, 0. Okay. Then 6 minus 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 5, 1, 6 minus 6, 0, 9 minus 5, that is 9, minus 5, 4. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So here we write as 6. Now we get the rupees as 640.10 paisa. Okay, and third question, it is, first we write that rupees column and it is paisa column. Then we write that is 987.55 paisa, 876, then 55 paisa. Then put the signs, subtraction sign, minus sign, that is 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6, we get 1. 8 minus 7 is 1 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So here we get as rupees 111.00. Okay. Here it is rupees and paisa. First we write as 345.90, then 325 and 75. Okay, put the minus sign. Then 0 minus 5 we can't, so we write 0. The top uncut we write borrowing 1 from here, and now it is 7 and now it is 8. Okay, 10 minus 5, we know that 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 7 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So here we get the rupees as rupees 20.15. Rupees 20.15. Okay, if we know additional subtraction, then it is very simple. That is, here we write that rupees and paisa. First we write the rupees under rupees column and paisa under paisa column, and add and subtract only. Okay, so children, today's portion you have to study very well and write very neatly in your notebook and write 2 times, and that note sent to me. Study well, children, and thank you.